super joy, fun and learn.
Hi kids! Today we learn general knowledge, question and answer. Okay, let's start. Which fruit tastes sour? Your time start now. Very good. Now next question. Things that can found in your school bag. Find the non-living things. Your time start now. Very good. Which animal give milk? Your time start now. Next question. Find the odd one out. Your time start now. Next question. Find the yellow color fruit. Your time start now. Next question. Find the missing letter. Your time start now. Next question. Find the biggest fruit. Your time start now. Very good. Next question. Find the color of pencil on the left hand side. Your time start now. Very good. Next question. Find the rhyming word of fern. Your time start now. Very good. Next question. Find the rhyming word of fog. Your time start now. Very good. Next question. Find the missing number. Your time start now. Very good. Next question. Find the same umbrella. Your time start now. Very good. Next question.